Hey guys, my name is Megha and in this video I am back with a new idiom which is caught red-handed. Caught red-handed, which means to catch a person in the act of doing something wrong. किसी को कुछ गलत करते हुए पकड़ लेना या किसी को रंगे हाथों पकड़ना. Now let's see some examples. The first example is I caught him red-handed stealing a purse. मैंने उसे पर्स चोरी करते हुए रंगे हाथों पकड़ा. The second example is he was caught red-handed by a security guard putting items in his pockets. वह चीज़ों को जेब में रखते हुए सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के द्वारा रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया था. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Now make a sentence using this idiom and start using it in your daily conversation.